Hi guys, welcome to our channel Coding with Karthik. So this session will be discussing about Python sets in detail. So here we'll be looking into how to access and add or remove, join or intersection of the sets and how to delete the sets and other methods. Okay, so let's begin the session. So here I have defined one set with four elements, I mean four items, right? So before that, basically, as we discussed in the previous session, set is kind of which allows the different data types and which is enclosed in the curly brackets. So here, if I print out this A set, right? Can you expect what will be the output? Do you think it will be the same as the XYZX? I mean, the same items that will be printed in the console? No. Let's see. So here you can see, right? Actually, we have given X, Y, Z, X, but here we can see only Y, X, Z. So that means set is set does not hold the duplicate values. We have given X two times, but here it is printing only one time. So that means it does not hold the duplicate values. And even if you see the order, right? Actually, we have given X, Y, Z, X, but here if you see the order, it is Y, X, Z. That means it is unordered, and also like we cannot access the set using the index. So in the list or tuple we can see the index, right? That is like which refers to the position of the element, but here we cannot access the elements using index, and also like we cannot update the elements in the set. So that means it is unchangeable. So by that we can say set is unchangeable, unordered, unindexed, and does not hold the duplicate items. So this is the these are the qualities of the set. Okay, now let's go one by one. So now, uh, if you print the length of the set, right? Do you think will it be 4, since here we have the 4 items? No, it will be only 3 since it does not hold the duplicates, right? So that's why the length of the set is only 3, not 4 here in this example. If you print this, see, it is only 3. So I think you're clear with this now. So how to access the set elements? So we said there is no index and it is unordered, unchangeable. So that's why we cannot access set using any index. So there's one way to there is a few ways to access it. So one way is we can use the for loop. So I can use for loop to access the set items. So just here I'm just returning the for item in a set. So if I just print this, so if I just print this item, you can see the XY set. So this is how we can access the set elements. So and if you want to check the either item is existing set, right? You can use for conditional statement you can use if let's say x in a set. So if you print this exist, okay, else let me just print not exist, okay. If I run this, the output will be exist since the x exists in a set, right? So if I give any other value, something like abc, maybe let's say it is not exist in set, the output should be not exist. Yeah, this is how we can check the either element or item exist in set. Okay, and the next topic is how to add or remove the items to the set. So let's say if I want to add item to the set, right, I can use add of method. So a instead of, let's say I can add, let's say let me add let's say a. So if you print this, see this. So we can add the items to the set using add of method. And if you want to add the multiple items, right, we can use update of method where we can provide the multiple item, I mean where we can provide the set. So here we are passing the set, so by that we can add these items to the set. So I have to print it, just print this. See, so here, and also while updating that, it is excluding those duplicates. I mean, excluding the sense it does not hold the duplicates. It only prints the unique items or unique values. So you can see, right? It is not because we added x one more time and x and b, but here it is only considered b, right? So it is not considering this x. So that means it does not hold the duplicates even during the updation. Okay. Yeah, and this is one thing. And now how to remove? So we can use remove method to remove the items from the set. So if I use this, so it will remove the x from the A set. So if I see the output, you can see that ZX. So that means it is removing the both the items. I mean both items. So x is occurring two times, right? So it is removing those two items from the set. So this is how it works. And next thing, there's one more method like discard. So that is also, there's one difference. I will tell you the difference, but this is also will work the same way. So if you do this, it will remove the element items from the set. Okay, so see this. So but what is the difference? So let me so let's say first let go with k. So discard of. So in this case, there's no difference, okay? But suppose you're not sure that item is existing in the set or not, but you want to remove the specific value if it is there. So in that case, let's say if you provide, let's say if you want to remove something like ABC, but you're not sure about this list, either that is exist in A set or not. But if you try to remove, let's say what will be the output? See this? This is not exist key error, right? But if you do the same thing with the discard, see, so it does not throw any error. So this is the difference between the remove and discard. So if is that means if the item is not exist in the set, if you try to remove, so it will throw an error. But if you try to discard, it does not throw any error. Okay. So this is the difference between remove and discard. Okay. Next thing, how to join the sets. So uh, So there's like you already seen how to add the one set to the other set, that is using update method. That is like what is happening. Let's say again, let's see the example. So uh, if you do the update, just a a set update of. Let me have one more set here. I have one more set here. So JK. Okay. So if you update A set with the B set, so you can see the output, right? It is joining the both the sets together into a set. So that means here it is updating the elements. It is updating a set from other set. So this is like it is not returning anything. Suppose if you print this, let's say if you just let's say if you just returning, if you're expecting some return, right? Then if you print out that a, so that will be none. So that means it does not return anything. It will just update one set from the another. Okay, this is usage of update. So but suppose if you want to generate new set, like with the joining of the multiple sets, let's say, then I can use one more method, union of. So let's say if I want to generate new set with the joining of the two sets, right, then I can use update union of method. So union of this set. So if you print this C set, so here I'm just creating one more set with the joining of this A set and B set. So using union of method. See now? So that means union is returning a set with the joining of the multiple sets. But update will just update an existing set with from the another set, right? Yeah, this is the difference between union and update, but depends on use case. You can use any method. Okay. Next one, there are a few methods like intersection. So if you want to get the if you want to get the common items between the two sets, right, you can use that intersection of method. So that is let me just give here some x. Okay. And let's say if you just do the a just dot intersection update of b set, you just print the a set, just see the output only x. So that means this method will update a set from the b set, which is like which will update, I mean it only hold the duplicate, it only hold the common items between the two sets, and it will update those items to the a set. So this is how it works. And if you see the output, right, it is holding only x item, which is common item between these two sets. Okay. And if you want to generate the new set with this condition, right, with the intersection, then you can use only intersection of, so which will return the new set with the duplicate, common elements between the two sets. So if you do that, just let me print out the C set. Just see now, the here the A set will be same and B set will be same. The C set only will have the intersection of two sets, the common elements between the two sets. Okay. This is how it works. And there is, suppose if you want to see the if you want to see the uncommon elements, so then we can use symmetric difference. So here if you print out the A set, you can see, right, JB. So that means it will eliminate the duplicate, or it will eliminate the common elements between the two sets, and it will hold only the unique, I mean unique elements from the two sets. So here suppose here x is existing in both the sets, right? That's why it removes that x, and it has only these elements. Okay, you can understand this. That means this is opposite to the intersection. So this is only give the unique elements from the two sets. So it removes the duplicate elements which are existing in the both the sets. Okay. Yeah. And this is one way. And the same way, like if you want to get the new set with this condition, with this criteria, right, you can use the symmetric difference. So you can generate new set C set. So if you print this, so here you can see, right, so these are same, like we have like union or update, and we have intersection and intersection update, and here also symmetric difference and symmetric difference update. So it's kind of, if you want to generate new set, you should use the just symmetric update or intersection of or union. And if you want to update the a set with the b set, then you can use underscore, you can use that update of, or this one symmetric difference update of, or intersection update. Okay. So this is depends on your case, you can go with the any method. So this is how to add or remove, or how to join our intersection into the intersection between the two sets. Okay. Next, iteration. So as we said, the iteration, we can go with while loop. So for I in a set, so print of I. So it will print the items in the list. Okay, this is how it works. And next thing, and what else? There are a few methods in the sets, like if you want to clear the set, right? If you want to remove all the elements, you can use the clear of method. So just if you just print the a set, it will print the empty set. See this. So you can use the clear method to remove the or delete all the items from the set. So you can use this clear up method. Clear, right? Next is copy of method. So if you want to copy a set to a new set, you can use this copy of method. So b dot set equal to a dot set dot copy of. So by that we can copy the set, we can copy one set into another set. Okay, if I print out this base set, let's see the output, right? So this is copy, and yeah, that's it for this session. So now I'm just briefing of briefing of the all the, I mean all the discussion. So first thing is, set is unordered and unchangeable, we cannot even update the elements. So this is the difference between the set and list. So unlike if you want to access, you have to iterate the set to access the items in the set. And if you want to add the elements, you can use the add up method, or you can use the update up method to update the multiple elements using another set. And if you want to join, you can use the update or union. If you want to do the intersection, you can use the intersection or intersection update. And if you want to get the different elements between the two sets, you can use the symmetric difference or symmetric difference update. And if you want to clear all the elements, you can use the clear of method. If you want to copy, you can use the copy of method. And like if you want to delete, I mean if you want to remove, right, you can use copy clear of method. There is one more method, you can use delete, delete keyword, so that will entirely remove that variable from the scope. So just yeah, that's it for this session. Yeah, I hope you got like I mean you got the sets in detail. So, and if you want to check, if you want to learn other basics like list or tuple and other data type basics or differences, you can check my previous sections. So in the coming up session, we'll be discussing about dictionaries in detail. So the same way how to access or remove or how to update and all those methods in dictionaries. Okay. So, and like I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video, and please try to share your share this video with your friends or colleagues. So like if you think it is really helpful for others, please share this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.